with your ambitions. You forgot concept. You put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina, you forgot concept. Gina, you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You have lost all of ambition. Destroy. You want a good life, by the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God gave to you. Now you want to run away. Now you want to run away. I'm battery on the sun. Bombarding. She wants to run away. Bombarding. I'm battery on the sun.
Oh yes, the eagle has landed. I just flew into town. Okay, you can say that again. Never. No. I am not seeing anyone right now. I am not seeing you girls too. You know, I've had a long day already, so I'll just move into my house, take a warm shower, sleep, and think of what next to do. Of course. No. Baby girl, can you just calm down? I said I'll sleep and sleep again. The next way is no way to the direction you're headed right now. Trust me. I'm not doing any of that. You see this lady right here? She's a child of God. A dedicated child of God at that. Okay, fine. You just get off my phone. Silly you. Oh.
My name is Glamo Keke. I'm the supervisor here, ma'am.
My name is Choma Okafo, Chef Chi. I'm the cook here.
My name is Caroline Weke. I'm the cleaner here.
My name is Jumbo Okonji. I'm the gate man.
Namibi David Omai. I'll be the driver. The family driver.
Good. I did not ask you to reintroduce yourselves because I did not know what I employed you for. But to make sure the job specifications rings a bell in everybody's head. 100,000 naira salary won't be bad in this present economy, is it? I don't think so. You will get paid so well, so you can offer your services effortlessly and diligently. For the records, my fiancé returns from abroad soonest, and we'll walk down the aisle together. I want every department to be up and doing. Hard work could attract salary increment. Non-diligence to work could also attract a slash from your salary. You must stick to the manuals, rules and regulations guiding this home. Now go and work. Work for your salary increment, or you work for a slash from your salary. You can now go.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Listen to me, mellow your temper, put to a video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Abada, you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Abada, you Babylonia was back before. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Philonia go be my husband, yo. Love more. Abada, you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Abada, you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Abada, you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you Gina, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you madam. Oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Chinemere, listen to me, mellow your temper, put to a video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Abada, you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Abada, you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass pass me by. The only son of Zulonia go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo Imo Zulonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a hawker tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Gina, listen to me. Mellow your temper. Put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Gina, take it easy because Obodo Imo Zulonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imo Zulonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Zulonia go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo Imo Zulonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imo Zulonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imo Zulonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you're Gina, where on your mechio. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a god. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Well, look why you're madam. Where on your mechio. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a god tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Gina, listen to me. Mellow your temper. Put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Gina, take it easy because Obodo Imo Zulonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imo Zulonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Zulonia go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo Imo Zulonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imo Zulonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imo Zulonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you're Gina, where on your mechio. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a god tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings.
What is this? Did you wash this car?
Yes, ma, I did.
Shut up. So, you want to infect me?
I'm sorry.
Is this what you're paid for? So you wash some part of a car and leave the other part?
I'm sorry.
I don't blame you lowlifes. You don't know how to make money. So how then will you know how to maintain a good skin and prevent it from skin infections?
I'm sorry.
Hey. Come here. Did you supervise the washing of this car?
Yes, ma. I
Shut
did.
it. Go there. Go right there and have your news kissing the ground.
Sorry, ma'am.
You heard me loud and clear. Go there and kneel. A punishment for negligence of duty.
Sorry, ma'am. Do you have to humiliate me like this before the people I supervise?
Now, or you get yourself fired already.
Gina, listen to me. Mellow your temper. Put your video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Gina, take it easy because Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Babylonia go be my husband, you love more.
2 minutes. You have 2 minutes to wash my car properly. Or you have 20% of your salary slashed.
I'm sorry. Okay, ma.
I don't like dirty people. You're just a dirty pig.
Listen to me. Mellow your temper. Put your video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Babylonia go be my husband, you love more. Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
Wait, Seth. See, don't try me. As long as you play the water, just touch everywhere. No, this is only the one. I don't want
my front
now. Calm down. I'm listening to you straight up. Oh, come on, we come.
Let the turn up.
Calm down, calm down. Calm down.
Nothing. So yeah, see. Take your time to go. My funny over. Take your time to go. My funny over. Back up. I'm working on it. I'm not back away for this shaft. You should go wild. Only near. I'm trying to get there. What's up, well? What's up, well? Ma, taking him. What's up, well? Oh, this that right here. You go away. This that right.
Hey, what are you doing here in the city? Have you forgotten your job specifications here? You are a common driver. A driver stands by the car and not in the city. Now, return to your duty post. You lazy, common moron.
Servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your medio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Gina, listen to me, mellow your temper. Put a video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because
Wait, let me call you back.
Is this not my husband's car? Now what can be this now? My husband said this car will be at the mechanic throughout this month. Now the parts to repair it is not yet in the market. I don't get it. Mark, you are here. When did you pick our car from the mechanic without telling me? And I checked to work today, including my husband. Where is he?
Okay. Madam.
Where is my husband? Where is he?
Babes, I think I should give you guys a lift. This is my car.
Did you just call this a car?
Of course, that's my car.
This Nigerian citizen, your fellow citizen, is what you are calling a car. Excuse you? Are you trying to insult us or what? Huh? No, wait. You expect I, Lizzie, the hottest babe in town, the happening chick, to enter this bura? This tuke? This should be an iron condemned now. What's that?
Wait, ladies, please, you need to calm down. I didn't mean to insult you.
Okay, shut up, boo! Shut your mouth, you already insulted us. Which one is it? You can give us a ride. This is your car. Is this one a car? Oh, God. Please, calm down. Why are you making me lose my cool? What's this? What's the meaning of this? How can you insult us? Huh? Why? Like, I feel like I'm suffocating. What's this? Oh my goodness.
It's okay, dear friend. It's okay, please. Let's just assume it's a mistake. Guy, you the F up now.
How?
What do you mean how? Eh? You not get eyes, you not they see. You look us finish, you not fear. Eh? Is it because of the food of how much? When you buy for us, you don't came and say we should enter this thing. You actually call this a car? God of Nazareth. Are you kidding me? Wait.
Really?
What is really? Wait a minute. You are insulting us already, you know, yeah? No, you are insulting us already, you know, yeah? Is it because we told you forget our ATM at home? Yes. And we're having problem with transfer.
Exactly.
If not, we would have been the one buying food for you and not the other way around. What is all this? You see this car? That is our car. You see my girlfriend? Our SUV is being serviced at the mechanic. If not, we would have dropped you off. But man, I can see you have a better choice of your class.
Like, I don't even understand this. You look me from head to toe and you ask me to enter this thing, this crap. Do you want my clothes to tear? Do you want me to go home naked? What's this? Oh, goodness gracious. What's this? Listen, the next time you see me, do not talk to me, please. Don't just talk to me.
Go where? Where you not to go?
What is this? Eh? I mean,
I'm coming.
Madam, stop!
Yeah. So, Shebi, I tell us I go catch you now again. Shebi, I told you. My husband carry our car. A car we bought with our hard-earned money. Carry give una too. Una use and they waka in the trek. He carry his car give una use and they do una. This una fake life. Without this borrowed clothes and wig. and me, his wife, and they try to go walk. Today is the end of the road for two of you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Have we met before?
Yes.
My name is Lizzie. Hi.
Yeah. No, we never met before.
Madam.
We danced before.
We don't know you.
Today, we go swim.
Madam, please stop this. What is this? You're embarrassing us. What kind of nonsense is this?
You see the talk?
Yes, now.
Wait, you see the talk. I see all my husband for the moon and the Gina don't chop. Today, we're not going to provide that.
Madam, beg, stop that nonsense. What kind of nonsense? You think because I'm quiet?
Okay.
You think because I'm quiet? I don't understand what you're saying. What kind of nonsense is this?
Don't worry, the man embarrassment is coming. If you see the embarrassment, you go see at the table. And the talk.
Don't worry, they talk. You can't nonsense see me that one.
Relax now, you go see him.
I don't know what you are trying to imagine.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your metio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your metio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions.
Hey, come back here. What is this? Come here. Come here. What is wrong with all of you in this house? When has it become so difficult for you to wash a glass cup and rinse it properly? You want to poison me, huh? No, I get it. You want to poison me, you want to take my place, you want to take over this house and all the property my sweetheart in abroad and I labored for. Shh. Get out. Get out now. Shh. Leave. Just get out, leave my sight. Hey, come back here. Stupid girl. Come here. Come. And who are you leaving this for? My friend, take this glass and get out of this place. Dirty girl. Oh my God, this girl wants to take my life in this house. I won't let that happen. Oh, can you imagine? And you? Just look.
G for general.
Hello, come girl.
G for general.
Hello, babe. Babe, no be so. Babe, no be so you take do something now, eh? Them say as God don't bless person, go just forget him friends just like that. Calm down now, no be so you take wrong things. Eh?
Oh, not really, you know. Thinking money, I've got a lot in my head.
Thinking of money. Babe, you sure not money they think of? Eh? I'm not just understand you.
Oh, girls, I promise I'll make it up to you girls.
Wait. So all of us did this house, Gina. You pack your things. You pack everything. You come on, leave us. You don't even tell us. Which kind of friend is this one?
I don't understand.
Eh?
Which house?
See, babe, remember say they owe me 2,000. My last 2K where I borrow you. The only money where in my account where you beg me say make I borrow you. Babe, you never still give me that money till today. You know fair now. You know some of us they manage. You know fair now. See, babe, ma tell you something. You owe us an apology. Yes, we be your girls now. You need to apologize to us for not checking up on us.
Girl, I beg, just calm down. You will come to my house, but not now. I've told you this before.
See, now you're talking. You know waiting. You go start by sending us your address.
Baby, wait. Talking waiting. What is she dey talk?
No, make she send the address. We'll go her house now. See, baby, we'll come your house. Send us address. We'll come your house.
I never said that. Anyways, can we catch up later? You know, I've got a lot we can talk about. Let me make it up to you girls. How about that?
Chegodi, wait. Gina, I don't understand. We not be your babes again. Eh? You not gonna trust us again or waiting. Wait. You dey think say we can kidnap you or kidnap the house where they stay?
See me.
Gina, why you dey do like this?
All right, we'll catch up later. All right? And you take care. Bye.
Catch him out for a year. Imagine she I don't want to maybe like say you say we don't start.
She know the year you bad now.
She go hear this one. Anyway, if you dey come, don't just comment here and dead.
The whole people in this house are just crazy. Bunch of dirty idiots. Huh?
Yeah, she don't drop phone. I don't happy now say she don't drop phone. Your brother don't chase the girl come on. She don't drop phone now. Every day you and Yoruba. If you don't say Oli Okwe, you go say Oli.
Èmi kọ́ ni mo share o.
Because mo ṣe gbọ́ gẹ̀ bá.
Èmi kọ́ ni mo share o.
Mo ṣe gbọ́ gẹ̀ bá.
Bá ní wèrè ní ẹ̀sìn wá ní mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o.
Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper. Put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Abada, you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Abada, you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. Only son of Philonia, go be my husband, yo. Love more. Abada, you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Abada, you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Abada, you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Chinemere onwere onye mechi o. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
G for General.
General influence.
Gina, ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó wà òkè, ọmọ olówó, Maurice too much.
The money is smelling. Gigi.
Yes. You know, girls, I am thinking of taking you girls to Canada just for the weekend.
That's what they think I live with us. Calm down.
Even if I used to, you know, manage to drink garri with you girls, that has been in the past.
So soon, we dey give English like the crazy.
Now we dey hell now. They call it Gina. Say that's a Bulgaria. See, Gina. Now all of us live for this house. In fact, we live for one house like that. Face to face before we can't get this kind of house. Don't forget. Now we know. Forget that thing. Babe, calm down. Now nobody there here. Now talk to us.
Gina,
bring that babe down.
Calm down. Now blood today.
All of us just you guys, they go say, you girls know, you girls.
Babe, what's up now? But
oh,
I swear, you're looking fresh though.
Sis skin like milk.
I'm-
Baby, oh baby.
Easy, Pico, easy. I'm not sharing my updates now.
Gina, now they do this thing. Use that English. None of us now. If you go outside, go dey do that one.
Everyone calm down now.
Well now.
Nobody say yes, yes, wow.
Give her life.
I've made it, oh. You people know. Gina has made it. So calm down. Calm down. I've made it.
Now she dey smell fresh.
Gina na escort now. She dey see short out to borrow now.
Now she be the president of following association.
But no, you are looking good.
Gina, this class where you wear, just don't pay for that. No, talk to me.
You don't see my driver for front. You're crazy. You don't see my driver for front.
My age. Who you pay money to collect that driver? But you better not. General in following.
Yes, they show that. G baby, me onira.
You know?
G baby, me life for living. Life, eh?
You know, you shake your breast. Every time, G baby,
Now I go use pass G man do one. She dey use life back. She dey na wear wig. She dey na rub cream.
She's a bit like Sha.
They life for living.
Don't help me.
Abi?
You don't put me for mansion. I don't get house. I don't get car. I don't still get driver. Get cook. Get cleaner. Get gitman.
Baby, sure.
It's good to the lie.
Sure.
If you still make am.
Who go make her now? You know that you can first date now. Sure.
No, that's G baby.
So don't be me wey be the liar before.
Sorry now, I thought they joke with you.
Let's say follow you play again.
You dey cause us. G baby.
So now I know.
Yes, no.
A new format.
Women in power. Why is she so mean? Why is she behaving as if she's the beginning and the end of the world?
Remain in power. No. I don't think it has anything to do with that. It's an individual thing.
But is that the way she behaves? I mean, she's so odd. She's so full of herself. I think pride has taken the better part of her. I wonder what her so-called husband-to-be saw in her that made him choose her. For me, she's not a wife material and can never be.
One man's food, they say, is another's poison. For me, I can never marry a man because of his wealth or physical appearance. My grandmother, whom I grew with, taught me a lot about marriage. She told me that marriage is so deep and everlasting. And so wealth and a physical appearance shouldn't be a yardstick for measurement. So maybe, just maybe, her husband saw something in her that we both are not seeing, or we all are not seeing. You never can tell. We are the outsiders here.
Whichever way, she has a bad character, which is a problem besides marriage. So she's not a good person.
We still can never tell. Okay. We're just judging from the outside. Anyway, Dave, I know you are hungry. But you know, Madam instructed that you shouldn't eat until 2 p.m. So, I will just have to sneak in there and get you food. Yes, once Madam leaves, because she's still in the living room. So once she leaves, I'll get you food. I will hang around and, watch how things goes. Okay?
I appreciate.
It's fine. Yeah. So I'll go and see if she's still around, okay? I'll get you your food soon.
Hello?
Dave, are you okay?
I'm fine.
You're fine? You don't sound fine at all. Have you had something to eat today?
No, but I will be fine.
I don't believe you. You see, just leave whatever it is you're doing right now. Come over to the house. I made something for you.
I said I will be fine. Don't worry, the chef is getting my food.
Dave, I insist.
Oh, never mind. My food is here.
Hello?
Okay, here we go.
Thank you.
It's nothing.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow.
Hello, Brady. Hello, Brady. Are you going my way? If you don't mind, please, can you just get into the car and let me drop you where you're going to? My name is Steve. I just came back from US looking for the good friends to hang around with. So if you don't mind, please, can we mingle? You see, I understand you're not the right friend of mine to talk to me. But if you don't mind, just give me your phone number so I can hello you later.
204-680-7351. That's UBA, please.
I think you just made a mistake. I asked for your phone number, but you just gave me your account number.
That's the password to unlock my phone number, please.
Really?
100K into the account, and you'll get my phone number.
Maybe you could just check your phone.
Did I just hear an alert? Is this guy serious? What? I said 100,000 and you said 200,000. You know what? Your way is my way, baby. If all men could be like this world would be a better place. Can I help you now? Thank you so much.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Where is he? Where is the driver? Recently, I have noticed how inconsistent and nonchalantly he's been discharging his duties. He goes out whenever he likes and returns however he feels. That I will not accept here. He has turned himself into a nosy one who meddles into people's affairs, trying to know and meet people whenever we are out.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but he usually takes permission from me before stepping out.
20% of your salary slashed for supporting a breakdown of rules and regulations guiding this home. Mama, I don't know that. Now get out.
Lower servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your metio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Who be that? Huh? Oga Ben! Oga Ben! Oga Ben.
Jombul, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Oga Ben, welcome. Oga Ben, you not driving?
No, don't worry. I quickly went to see my cousin. I'll be rushing off to somewhere immediately.
Okay, now, Oga Ben, anything for your boy? What you carry come for me, Oga Ben? Oga Ben, I'm your boy, you!
Don't worry. Yeah. There must be something for you while I'm going out. Okay?
Oga Ben. I trust Oga Ben. Oga Ben, welcome.
Who is that person kneeling down? Why is he kneeling?
Oga Ben, na Dave now. Now, madam say make him kneel down if he still wants to keep working in this house.
So what's his crime?
Oga Ben, Dave committed guilty. Yes, madam talks say he committed guilty.
Committed guilty? How?
Oga Ben, Dave committed guilty against the rules and regulations of this house. So madam say make he kneel down there if he wants to still keep working here. Now so we see Oga Ben. Now so we see him.
Gina Melo.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your metio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your metio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow.
What are you doing, Gina Melo? Asking a full-grown man to kneel down in the compound just because you feel he went contrary to some of the rules and regulations you mapped out in this house. What has come over you? Do you...
Ben, I do not only respect you as my cousin, but I also respect the fact that you played a major role in me being here. But what I will not take from you is you coming to my house to lecture me on how to discipline my staffs when they go wrong.
Nemelo, listen. That driver is not just a staff. He's a man.
And so? What if he's a man? A man with two heads? So he should go ahead breaking the rules and regulations, guiding where he works. Answer me.
Nemelo, you must listen to me.
If he's about that young man, I am done. Excuse me.
Well, look why Chine mere on where on your metio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your metio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your metio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your metio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Gina, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put to a video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Gina, take it easy because Obodo Babylon was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylon was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more.
Why is everyone moody? What happened?
See, we don't do fasting like this, so including you.
Why are we fasting? Why would they fast?
Why? Why be say our madam don't lock kitchen? No? She say nobody dey chop. Say she dey bad mood. Say as soon as no greet am when she dey comot, na im make am dey get bad mood. She go lock kitchen. So like this now we dey emergency fasting.
Are you kidding me?
We no go protest because that salary now e fat for this present economy. Since e hard, I go need my money complete. I go need down my 100k complete. So we no dey protest though.
Who does she think she is? Like who does? What's your problem? No, on a serious note, what is your problem? What are you feeling like? Why do you derive joy in maltreating people? Are you God? What are you feeling like? Huh? Are you God?
Yes. Yes. I am your God. Supervisor. 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 Hey, you, come here. Come here, come here. Come here, come here. Supervisor! Hey, you walk fast. Come here. Yes, I am your God. 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 You know why? Because I provide that which none of you can provide for yourself. And you in particular, you have declared yourself the very spokesman for all, right? You ought to cease working here. On a second thought, letting you go is not enough. I have news for you all. The good news and the bad news. So, let's start with the good news. The chef, the gate man, the house cleaner, your duties have been relieved of you. By the end of the month, you will be receiving your salaries without working. Because your job specifications has been directed to someone else. And the bad news is that if it's bad at all, Mr. David Uche, the driver, in the next 1 month, you would be assuming the duties of the cook, the housekeeper, and the driver, in addition to your job as the driver. That is the payment for your sins. And I'm sure you will not want to disobey my orders. That is if you still want your job and the approval of your salary by the end of the month. I am sure you know your power limitations and the manual before accepting to take this job. And I won't want you to be reminded of these job specifications. Any of you caught assisting him will stand the chance of losing 10% of your salary. Have I made myself clear? Have I?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Your job starts now. All of you, get out!
Well, look why you're Gina, Mary, oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you're madam, oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you're madam, oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Gina Merenwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Gina Mere, take it easy because Babylon, I was not before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity never pass me by. Only son of Zilonia, go be my husband, yo. Love more. Abadai, Babylonia was not before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Abadai, Babylonia was not before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Abadai, Babylonia was not before. Where are you? I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you're Gina, Mary, oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you're madam, oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Gina, Mary, oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you're madam. Oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you're madam. Oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Gina Merenwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo Babylonian was not before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonian was not before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo Babylonian was not before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonian was not before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonian was not before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you're Chinemere, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you're madam, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Chinemere, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you're madam, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today.
Dave, where have you been? I've been calling you for days. You've not been picking up. Are you okay? Is everything alright? Dave, are you okay? Dave, are you okay? I've been calling you for days. You've not been picking your calls. Is everything okay? What happened?
I need to be left alone.
Wait, it is that lady again, right? I mean, where was it written on earth that you must work as a driver for that lady? I mean, is that the only job on this earth?
Are you going to give up on me at this point?
Have you had something to eat? It's okay. Let me fix you something.
Listen to me, mellow your temper, put to a video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo Babylonian was not before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonian was not before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo Chinemere onwere onye mechi o. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, onwere onye mechi o. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings, all human beings. Chinemere nwa, listen to me, mellow your temper, put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Babylonia go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo in Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo in Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo in Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why Chinemere onwere onye mechi o. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today.
I learned they're already on their way.
They?
Yes. Oh, sorry, I meant he.
You mean Oga? Madam's husband to be. I mean, the love of Madam's life.
Which love?
The one that built this mansion for Madam.
Abegi, forget acting. Which husband? Which love? Love, okay, love me. Some people just dey mumu themselves for this life. Na mumu promise, na wetin she be. She just dey mumu herself. I been at the billionaire husband where she dey die for, where she never even see. Just dey mumu.
What are you talking about? You should be mindful of your words. I mean, who is feeding you with all this?
My dear, say they use military hand for this house, for us. No mean say my ear no dey ground though. My ear sharp like razor. My prayer be say our new oga where they come. Make he like us, especially me.
So you want the incoming Oga to like us? In fact, to like you. But you don't want to first like Madam. Don't you know that a woman can influence a man's decision? Especially when it gets to do with love. Yes.
Love? Love? Who love help? Which love? I beg you. Which love? There is no love.
Mind what you say.
Has anyone seen David today?
No, ma.
No, ma. I haven't seen him either. Where could he have gone to?
I don't know. I've not seen him either.
Hi. Why this boy to like trouble? I mean, today of all day, he's supposed to have been here. Where did he go? He didn't tell you.
He didn't tell me.
Hey, I
didn't
pity
see
him. I pity him because Madam is so going to skin him alive. Now, he knows we're expecting someone. You mean he didn't tell you where he went to?
He didn't tell me. I'm worried. He didn't tell me.
Girlfriend, you know. Oh, you know Lizzie, you know my spec. You know what I want. I don't want guys with yellow. No, I don't want bump pop. See, I want fresh guys with black. With dark, we can get shining skin. We just see the bling, 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 bling. I know you just, we can't get money, can't get money.
Abe, Gina ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Gina G for general. You know me. You know say we Yoruba we too like life. You know say I not fair. You know say I not fair. You know the kind of guys that they like? All those sweet top fair guy, over fair. You can't get side bed, that thing, teddy bear no dey get hair for corner. Sweet guy we go tall. As I dey see him, my heart go gba. See, not be that you go come too fair, come black, be no dey see you. If I say right, you go no.
See, babe, no matter. See, you be correct, babe. G for general overseer.
Okay. Babe. Can you girls slow down a bit?
No, calm down. See,
G for general.
He said, "No, calm down. We can't calm down now. Now, babe, no see this opportunity they come but once. We got to use it as they come. Babe, not for my hands. So, G for general.
Gina Jiko. I wish you said that they bounce cafe for you. Gina Jiko. I love you, the bouncer. Gina, she know me. See, if you see your babes, we too say.
No, my hand.
We too fine.
No be lie.
With them and dumb and shiny. With them bling.
But
see,
borrow.
See, G, if you see us, not be clothes to wear. We go berry supermarket and then we go borrow clothes. Your girls are blink.
With them bling.
With a blink.
No be lie.
Borrow.
See, no delay also.
She dey call us borrow.
Fine. Just apply a little push on the brake. I've told you girls, nobody's missing any opportunity, right? Okay, listen. As soon as my man on fire and his friends arrives, my billionaire husband, Fiam, I'll put a phone call, just a call to my homegirls to come and sample their market. And of course, they will make their choices.
Not be you teachers.
Not be you teachers.
Not be teachers.
Na president you be for bolo.
We dey learn.
Why you talk like this?
We dey learn.
Babe, no follow our house. G for general. That name no be small name.
G for general.
General overseer.
General
overseer. Oh, that's
baby, I dey bounce carpet for you. Let's go! B!
Ow!
B!
Ay!
Go come to yeah!
Oh, God, they bounce around. See her.
Gina Meremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put to a video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Gina Mere, take it easy because Obodo in Babylon, I was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo in Babylon, I was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo in Babylon, I was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo in Babylon, I was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo in Babylon, I was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you Gina Mere on where on your mechio. Lower your action. The table has turned around, so don't cry. Not be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry. It's all your fault. Georgina, you forgot what's your name. Gina, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble.
Namibi, David, Omai, I be the driver. The family driver.
What is this? Did you wash this car?
Yes, ma, I did.
Shut up! So, you want to infect me?
I'm sorry.
Is this what you're paid for? So you wash some part of a car and leave the other part?
I'm sorry.
I don't blame you lowlifes. You don't know how to make money. So how then will you know how to maintain a good skin and prevent it from skin infections?
I'm sorry.
What are you doing, Chinemelum? Asking a full-grown man to kneel down in the compound just because you feel he went contrary to some of the rules and regulations you mapped out in this house. What has come over you? Do you...
Ben, I do not only respect you as my cousin, but I also respect the fact that you played a major role in me being here. But what I will not take from you is you coming to my house to lecture me on how to discipline my staffs when they go wrong.
Nemel, listen. That driver is not just a staff. He's a man.
And so? What if he's a man? A man with two heads? So he should go ahead breaking the rules and regulations, guiding where he works. Answer me.
Nemel, you must listen to me.
If it's about that young man, I am done.
What is your problem? What are you feeling like? Why do you derive joy in maltreating people? Are you God? What are you feeling like? Huh? Are you God?
Yes! Yes, I am your God.
Self in trouble with your character. Georgina, Gina, you forgot what's your name. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Gina, destroy. With your ambition. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. You claim, where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina, you forgot what's your name.
Oh, Mr. David Omahi, the son, or rather the only son of the multi-billionaire and former Chief Justice of this country, Justice Donald Omahi. David was born and raised in this country. He later relocated to abroad. And being an only son, there is this pressure from his parents for him to get married and of course give them their grandchildren. But it's been hell for this young man. You know, he's not finding it easy. He's been, ups and down, back and forth for him in making the right choice of a woman to spend the rest of his life with. According to David, women were all over him, that one could easily describe him as a gentle sinner. Even the women, you can easily describe them as gold diggers. But of course, they will disappear as soon as they grab the money. because he's wealthy. And nevertheless, he must fulfill the promise he made to his parents to present the love of his life on their birthday this year. The mother is 61, the father is 70. Both of them are celebrating their birthday the same day, simultaneously. It's quite a coincidence. He loved his parents so dearly that he wouldn't want to disappoint them. But at the same time, he must make the right choice. No, the reason he chose a different life to live, maybe, and just maybe, he could see life from a different perspective. And people could see him from a different perspective also. Who knows? It could aid in his search. He owns this mansion. You're employed and placed on such huge salary because of the parents of David, Mr. David. They'll be coming back in this country in less than 2 months' time. Just take good care of them, not necessarily for the young man, but for the parents, because he loved them so dearly. Of course, this is one of the numerous mansions that belongs to the Umahis. We wish them good luck as they come back to this country soonest. We also wish the young man good luck. That's all for now.
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you'll be madam. Oh. The table has turned around.
My sister, he reached to shout. He reached to shout. Okaliagi itipu mpu. Okaliagi itipu Chineke mpu. Shout because he reached or the millennials. In fact, it's more than millennials. It's delicious. I swear. Hey! Not be that one they do me. You know what they do me? I want to dance. Kamba Chineke ni egwu. Kamba pulo bini egwu because it's not easy. For this wonderful opportunity God has brought to us. Like, it's not easy, my sister. Are you dancing with me or not? You're not dancing with me? You're not dancing with me?
Don't try it. Don't try it. See, why do you want to enter our class now? Eh? See, do you know how much your cosmetics cost? Eh? You better get off from that place, oh. You better get off from that place now. What's wrong with you now? What's all this? Eh? See, get up.
Hey, what is going on here?
Mrs. Supervisor, you know this woman that wants to spoil our plan for us? Eh? Who is she for me fainting for? Help me ask her if she knows how much a bag of cement costs in Ontario, the way I came from.
Madam, can we just help her? Please help her, do something!
Help who?
You can carry her up, just do something!
Help who?
I beg. Wait. Auntie former madam, who you there from die for? Wake up, oh, you never pay your dues. Auntie former madam.
The table has turned around, so the table has turned around. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina. You forgot Gina, you put yourself in trouble. You put yourself in trouble. It's your character, Georgina. You forgot
She's not picking. She's not picking. I knew it. I knew it. Gina will show I don't want to say God will punish her, but let me not curse her. I knew it. I know. That girl a wicked devil. I never see that kind of friend before. Gina is very stingy. She's greedy. She's self-centered. Which other English I never use? Which kind of greedy friend be that one? Eh? Just this little favor. This small favor where this girl go do her life will change. We go become big girls. Nalayo, Gina want to pack all the old men round her. Only she'll be collecting the commission. And with day here, she cannot call us to come and buy Gbadun. If she allow us to miss this small opportunity, if Gina allow us to meet this small favor, we go change our life. I go naked, knock this thing, knock it down. My shepherd follow, I will swear for her. Which kind of nonsense thing be that one? You don't be me, oh. Listen, you don't be me, oh. You're quiet. No,
just touch me, oh. No touch me. As no one calm down, so no just do your thing. They vibrate. See, no just come near me. And they call Gina. You know what happened to her? Why they vibrate every time they just make noise for this compound? What happened? Calm down.
Listen, more bumi. What is calm down? You know say we Yoruba. Our blood they hot. Tabambinu àti inú mi kini e man wa. Oh man, no, he dey raise, go come up. Once I make me calm down. Give him that calm down.
As you don't go finish, I make come make and pick the corner. As you don't want law, you go dey glue. I but wogi. Come make and pick the corner.
Oni da fún ẹni tó fi sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn o.
Osnogin.
Oni da fún ẹni tó sọ.
Oni da fún kegi.
Ayé oni da. Ìwọ àti Gina kò ní da fún ẹ.
Ya woge ba.
Oni da fún gbogbo yín no first letter won yẹn.
Ine eko. Kenya kwa.
What dey eko? Kenya kwa. Kenya kwa kwa yi. Ìwọ náà kò na kwa yi. Anu ìwọ náà lọ ṣodo ibo la ko ma so.
Kenya kwa ni. Kenya kwa ni. Ọmọ Yorùbá. Nani anu.
Ọmọ Igbo ó fẹ́ náà manu. Ẹ máa jẹ fufu ẹ mọ́ mi.
Ọmọ ya asun
nena ya nu. Aleka orí òbò lo ṣo lórí mú.
You put yourself in trouble. Destroy with your ambitions. You forgot concerning.
You know what I mean?
Believe me, I beg not to do.
My father, I don't want mad. But I know you won't be talk. Shop. Every time you want to get they long like I don't understand. What's the worry? You can't keep quiet. Eh? Now you don't come knock for door now. Now, Shebi, you're happy. You're happy.
Surely I am able to go. Ṣé mo ko ga. Tí bá fi owó mi, tí bá fi wo ojú ẹ, wallahi o ní ríro mú. Ni mo sọ
Back to sender. Back to sender.
Show me. Mo lè fún ẹ ní upper cut of the hair soda.
Back to sender. Agaba wogi chike ogo oko. Onu kana anu febe. Onu kana anu febe chike ogo oko wipe.
Back to sender.
Osno back to sender. Back to sender wogi eba. Unni gini ni ala wucha. Onu kana anu febe. Ewu aleka. Back to sender. Agaba wogi. Hey, babe. Abe no verse. No verse abe cause you no verse. See, bless that not is a landlady. I swear. Nah, see, don't you not be that landlady. Nah, don't you know? Just so what will happen, eh? You know, say you get sharp eye as you never get. And all the abuse now, calm down, go to the hot. Just go there, go peep. Use one eye, take peep for that door. No, if I'm not that. Go now.
If I say you get eye like you go reach, like the glass for this, you not be there close to that place. If you move too late, now you feel more. When you know.
So I can say what you fear. I believe what you fear. You get by the fear.
You go to the game liver.
Yeah, they get it. Hey, my liver they go.
My mouth we get.
You forgot concerning. You forgot concerning. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Gina, destroy with your You put yourself in trouble. You claim what do you know be. You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina.
What's the meaning of this?
No one lives.
Excuse you? Are you mad? Or something is wrong with your head? Do you realize I am the sole owner of this house? Like, I built this house with my hard-earned money. Like, I am the assistant owner of this house. I meant the former owner of this mansion. Do you know that? Why will you touch me? Do you know I can sue you too? I can call the police on you. I can even feed you. I can feed you for 1 year. Do you know that? Don't try it again. Bros, say, I beg now. No verse, now no just a smile at all. The person no they follow na play again. Eh? No be sad they shout oh. I know they shout. I know fit try am. But you see this my voice. Now so it be if son don't they go like this, you go they touch my brain, you go they touch my head one kind. I beg now no verse. You know say you know what's in the ground now. If you can't carry pikin and pikin where you can't carry don't die, you go just check the next compound. No beside they run. I know they run. No. Sure I know the verse. I just want to check the next compound. Eh? Thank you in advance. Thank you for your understanding. Oh, una know the verse. Thank you for your understanding. Say, una know the verse now. We don't understand. We don't align. I beg, make her they go, yeah? And make her they go. Thank you. Thank you.
Head. I think she needs some head. Give her some head.
Some head? No. Hey! Oh, baby, come, bring me down now. Let me go. Put yourself in trouble. Leave me alone.
Oh. Where is she? Where is she? Let me chop wish. Where is who? No, I don't understand. Where is who? You just barge into person's house. You knock. You don't even wait. Make house owners come open door for you. Just barge in like criminal. They ask say where is she with your eye and shine like thief. Where is who? Eh? Hey. Oh. She thinks I will not find her. She thinks I won't trace where she lives. There is no hiding place for a debtor. So, go in there and call that friend of yours, Gina, or whatever you call her, to come out here and pay me my money. Of all the clothes, the shoes, the bags, and the hairs, everything she has been collecting from my shop. Deceiving my workers that she's my sister. Just because I gave her a warm reception the first time she came to my shop. And she decided to train my boutique. Please, go in there and call her out now. Because in the next 30 seconds, I will scatter everywhere. I'll pull down this building.
Oh, Bieda. Excuse you? You will pull which building? Show me where Haja of your body here. So Yahweh. So Sinwin. You look this full nation. You see Yoruba stand here. They shake everywhere. When you ask scatter which building? Ba fún ẹni upper court. Tí bá yọ ojú ẹ, wàá mọ̀ pé mi ò gbádùn. You dey look me. Tó bá Bieda kó try it. Try it.
Try am na. You shock you. You shock you. Try am. I scatter everywhere. You no gree talk again. See me see wahala o. Ọmọ Yorùbá, mo fẹ́ mano. Am I the one you are jumping up for? Eh? Look, you better go in there and call her out now. Because madam, you know they fear oh. You see giants. Ọmọ Yorùbá. Giants. They bounce. You see they make mad for inside. You say na inside our house today. We fit pan and beat you for here. Madam, ma do you good now because if she bounce, you no go fit survive am. Oh yeah, Lele, they go house. Man, they go house. Madam, I said now I just dey save you because hey, not try this. They go house. I won't save you. Madam, they go house. Hanlele. No, they hear what? I want to see her power mic. I'm going in there to bring out that Gina. See, madam, madam, we will kill you. Madam, we will kill you. You know so. Add that red apple for me. Yes, 10 of it, please. The big one, that big one. Yes. Yes.
Well, if you do this thing, what you want to do for my daughter, I will forever remain grateful.
It's okay, it's nothing. It's alright.
Why would they shine like you?
You can say that again.
Which one again?
How many is there? 10. Okay, get me this yellow one. Yes, please. Get 5 of it. 5, yes. That's 5, right? Okay, please let me have lime. Yes, 2 of it, please. Okay, that's it. Thank you. I don't want banana. How much is your nut? Yes, the big bottle. Please come and see it. This big one. How much is it?
Okay, it's 2.5.
Get me 3 bottles is fine. Yes, please. See, they will know that Madam Lizzie visited your shop today. I need 2 granuts, please.
Granuts?
Yes, 2.
Is it the big bottle?
Big ones, of course.
Big ones.
I don't do small things. Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
Any other thing?
Okay, I did not, right?
Yes.
Okay, is this what they call this?
Honey.
This is honey.
Yes.
Original. Let me have both of them. Just pack it.
Hey! Hey.
And then cucumber, please.
Okay.
3 cucumber.
3.
Yes, please. This big one.
Big one.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
That's it.
I need this one too. This
This
pineapple.
one.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yeah, please drop it on the floor. So madam, how much is everything?
Everything is 8.5. You know, the things don't cost now.
8,500. I'll make it 10,000. You know what? Just get a nylon and put this.
Subo. I think I lie on that. Hey, I'm so happy. Hey, let me take this. No. This one, your face is like this. Is it because of what happened last time? Don't worry. They will come. They will surely come and pay you your money. Oh? Let me answer customer. Nah.
Customer, there's a big problem right now.
Okay. What happened?
Do you know? Oh, what kind of mistake is this?
What's the mistake?
And the 50,000 naira cash I kept in my bag. Oh, okay. I now remember what happened. I was actually on. I was in a haste to come out, and I left them on the table. Oh my God. But it's okay. Not to worry. I'm bigger than that. You know what? I'm living down the street. All right.
The street.
Yes.
You
so I'll
told
just,
me now.
Of course, I'll just go and get your money. So just pack everything. Let me just go.
Don't worry. You will go with it, though.
Yeah,
I will
thank
pack
you.
it and you will go.
Of course.
You will come back and. Hey! Okay, why are you shouting?
Auntie?
Hey!
Nashi!
Auntie, you know what I tell you, say? Person come my shop, come buy provision, wey worth 12,000 naira.
And this auntie now!
Don't embarrass my customer like that. What do you mean?
What are you saying? Why are you embarrassing me? No,
You know who you are talking to.
Why you? Oh, down the street. So because someone uses the word down the street, so it now appears to be me?
Nah, lie.
You know what? I know what's I understand. It happens to me every day. People tell me every time, Lizzie, you look like somebody else. So it's not her fault.
I don't blame you. You, not be like this with any lad there. You wait. See? Wait. Me go call area boys. I don't see thief. You go pay me my money. Calm down. Which one be calm? I'm gonna tell you. He said down the street. That same like wait tell you no. Down the street. Now what he tell me that day?
Yeah.
Is it true?
Did I ask?
Oh, madam, please, can we just talk about this? Can we try to
talk what?
I'm going to get fuel, please.
Talk what?
Hey! Area boys! You don't speak English. You don't speak English. Hey, they go burn you today. You come my shop. You come thief from my shop. Now my shop, you lose it. You come thief. They go burn you today.
So you be thief.
Thief!
I'm not not a criminal.
I'm not a criminal. You are a criminal. I am right.
Hey, God save you.
I not do again. Wallahi. Me o shame I no dey.
You don't do now. Which of you I not do again? You see, who forced you to do before? I think I'll beg you. I need peace for this house. Otito, according to you, you don't do.
Lizzie. Show me this is not going to tell me Otito. It's your very no sabi. This is not time for you to tell me this one now. Eh? I need me o shame I no dey do again. Which kind thing be this one?
See, can you just keep quiet? Nobody you run that run, no. I follow you run, no, babe. What if you all this guy shouts now? So all those ones, see, I think I'll beg you. Oh, you sound like mosquito. I'm mosquito for my ear. What if that one?
Emi.
I don't tell you finish.
Lizzie, you look me finish. Send me the shell like mosquito. Me and you the shell like mosquito.
Sorry, I no put am well. I put am well for you. You know what you resemble? Glass cutter. Those ones will get long mouth. When you just sharp like ooh. When your mouth long like say tomorrow no day. What you resemble? You know like my truth, Abi? Na just could not resemble. Wetin be that? I got my head see way today. I don't tire.
Na me dey talk so, Abi. No, na me get all those lines, Abi.
You know what? See that kind of one we want outside. You know see am? You know see the one? Why you dey shout for this house?
Na me call it line, winnie.
Na you.
Na me dey do
like.
They dey follow us. They dey follow.
You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Gina, destroy with your.
Okay, guys, listen. Hard work and diligence can help you become a trusted employee and accomplished professional. A persevering determination to perform a task, characterized by steady, earnest, and energetic efforts. Settling and committing to your goals. Establishing a schedule, managing time effectively, and learning continuously. These are more a reminder for all, especially the new intake, Georgina Chinemelum Ibekwe. Your job specification here as a new driver entails a lot. You must stick to the manuals, rules, and regulations. Do not relent. I repeat, do not relent.
Somebody should wake me up. Somebody should wake me from this dream. Hey! Timo!
The first slap is to wake you and to remind you that it's not a dream. The second slap is to reset your brain for messing up. Chinemelum, is being your cousin a crime? No, I'm asking, did I commit a crime being your cousin? I personally handed over the keys of this house to you and old friend's house as a supervisor and to employ people that work with you. You came in here and made yourself the owner of this house. And you did not end there. You went into the master's bedroom, took a jewelry worth 7.8 million naira and sold it for a god knows cheap price just to keep up with your fake life. Chinemelum, 7.8 million naira. You should count yourself lucky because he gave you an option of working with him as his personal driver. You should be deducting the money from your salary because you don't have shishi in your bank account. Shishi, you don't have. If I were you, I should not think otherwise. Don't even act funny. There are cameras everywhere in this house. And you're being monitored. You know how heavily connected this family is. They will just jail you for life for theft and impersonation.
Hey. Brother, I'm sorry.
You disappoint me.
You should have told me who he is all along.
No, sorry, I don't do that.
You called me off.
Oh, I was under oath not to disclose anything to anybody until he reveals his true self. It's been my homeboy from way back. I cannot betray him. Chinemelum, I know the life you've always wanted. getting married to a rich man and live happily ever after. Who knows if you had been the wife you're searching for all this while, if you had set fake life apart and do the work that brought you here initially. That reminds me, the car you rented that you're parading yourself as the owner, have you called the owner to come and carry the car? Because I'm pretty sure they will come for you soon. You disappoint me.
The bus leaves in 20 minutes. Get ready to discharge your official duty as a driver here. Remember to stick to the manuals, the rules, and the regulations. Do not relent. I repeat, do not relent.
Hi. Oh.
You are looking for is at your closest. Come to see it. The good heart you are looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel. Angel. It's good heart. She's an
I want to specially thank you for believing in me, standing by my side, supporting me against all odds. Thanks for all you do. I mean, you tolerated and accepted me despite my shortcomings. You are the true one. Thank you very much.
It's sounding like I did a huge thing. I mean, who else would I do these things for if I don't do it for you? I am your closest. I am the one you trust in, so why can't I do those things for you? Besides, your win is our win. Okay, so it's nothing.
It's just a gift.
No, it's more like a payment now. Thank you, I don't want it.
I insist.
And I am stubborn. Get me something on a neutral ground, I will take it. Right now it's as though you're paying me for something I did for you. No, thank you. I don't want it.
Oh, Bob. What I'm seeing here is too much. 8.5 million. Are we traveling to heaven? Oh, more tickets cost so. The cheapest one is 6.5 million. Okay, why don't we do Nigeria, Turkey to America? It's better. I like that one. Yes. To Turkey to New York. No, not New Jersey, New York. Good. Yeah. It's like $100,000. Yes, everything. Of course, 100K does now is above 100 million. Like 150 million. That's 100K does like 150 million naira. No, 150 million, not 150. Okay. So done now. We are no, not Niger, Dubai, America. Niger, Turkey, America. Yeah. So instead of Dubai, let's do Turkey. Yeah. It's the same thing now. We're spending 2 days there. Okay. Yeah, let's do the white 570 and one white watch. Yes. No, shipping them together. We ship them together. White. Yes. All right now. Definitely, you see there a lot. All right.
You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Gina, destroy. With your ambition. Abada, you Babylonian was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Abada, you Babylonian was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Zilonia go be my husband, yo. Love more. Abada, you Babylonian was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Abada, you Babylonian was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Abada, you Babylonian was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you're Gina, where on your mechio. Lower your action. The table has turned around, so don't cry. Don't be you say you'll be madam. Oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina. You forgot what's happening. Gina, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. With your character. Georgina, Gina, you forgot what's happening. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Gina, destroy. With your ambition. You forgot what's happening. You put yourself in trouble.
Somebody should wake me up. Somebody should wake me from this dream. Hey! Chibo!
The first slap is to wake you and to remind you that it's not a dream. The second slap is to reset your brain for messing up.
You forgot what's happening. You put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina, You forgot cause you're big. Gina Mera, you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You have lost all of ambition. Destroy. You want a good life. By the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God gave to you. Now you want to run away. Now you want to run away.
Sir. Sorry.
Georgina Chinemelum Ibekwe. What are you doing standing right there? I'm sure you have not forgotten your job specification, young lady. You are a driver, and a driver stands right by the car and not in the sitting room. Now move it. Now.
You forgot cause you're big. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Gina Mera. Destroy. With your ambition. You forgot cause you're big. You put yourself in trouble. You claim, where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina Mera. You forgot cause you're big.
Oh, which kind of fish with this one now? Which kind of nonsense with this? Come this guy, let's talk to they worry you. They said you come from my village. You dey crazy. You know they answer me? Okay, I don't see them. And this small power where they give you. This small power where they give, they make you they misbehave. But when I feel just stand like this, matcha me go scatter. You dey crazy. I mean, your village people not get respect. Shey they not teach you how to get respect. You not get respect, Abi? I feel just chook my hand enter your eyes. You not get respect.
Well, with all due disrespect, I'm not here to respect you, but to disrespect you. And you just talked yourself off today's breakfast, meaning no breakfast for you today.
You forgot cause you're big. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Gina Mera. Destroy.
No verse. So sorry. I am sorry. I didn't mean it like that. Oh, no verse. Nah, slip of tongue. No verse. Yeah.
And no lunch for you for talking when I'm not done talking. One more word from you, and it will be 0, 0, and 0. That means no breakfast, no lunch, no dinner as well. And I mean every word of it.
Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Gina Mera. Destroy. With your ambition. You forgot cause you're big. You put yourself in trouble. You claim, where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina Mera. You forgot cause you're big. Gina Mera. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy.
My sister, I beg. I beg, I dey hungry. I never chop since morning, see time now. This na 8 p.m. I beg, na me hunger no go kill me. I beg, Muna just give me food. Just give me, even though say na small like this, I will just manage am. You don't even need to put am for plate. Just put am for my hand. I will not chop am like that. Go chop am. I beg. Yeah.
Gina, I understand, but I can't do anything. I can't. I'm acting under the instruction of the supervisor. She said we shouldn't give you food. That I shouldn't give you food. On no account should I give you food. And I don't want to lose my job.
No. It be like you don't understand me. See, I take care of sir. And you know so they keep person. I beg now. I be una want just use hunger kill me for this house. Hunger go kill me. I be person picky. Una pity me now. I beg. Una give me food. You don't get conscience. Una try give me food. My chop. See my belly. See my belly don't enter inside. I feel just die. I feel die. Hunger feel just kill me anyhow. I beg. Please.
I can't. If I go against her will, she might just sack me. This is the only means of survival for me. You all know that. Please. I beg.
Still not good. No good. I beg. Now just small food. Now small food. I beg. I dey hungry. I know they work since they come. I beg.
This thing you're asking me, I can't. I can't. I mean, if you want me to leave this place, just go to the boys' quarter, carry my bag and keep it at the gate. I'll quietly carry it and go to my house. You asking me to go get you food? Come on now, check it. I'll lose my job. It's not like I don't want to, but I will lose my job. It's not my instruction, it's not my making. Sorry, but
not do like that now.
Be strong with your van, be strong. Before God calls you, you put yourself in trouble. You claim, where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina, before God calls you, Gina, you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You have lost all of ambition. Destroy. You want a good life. By the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God gave to you. Now you want to run away. Now you want to run away. A battery no song, bombarding, bombard. She wants to run away. Bombarding, bombard. A battery no song. Georgina. The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina. You forgot what's happening. Gina, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina, you forgot what's happening. You forgot what's happening. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, Gina, destroy with your ambition. You forgot what's happening. You put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know me? You have seen what you brought up on your side, Gina. You forgot what's happening, Gina. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You have lost all of ambition, Gina. Destroy. You want a good life, by the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God looking for. Is at your closest. Don't you see it? The good heart you're looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel with good heart. She's an angel with good heart. Can't you see her? She was falling for you. She's deeply in love. She's an angel. She was falling in love with you, with your own heart. She's an angel with good heart. She's an angel.
G for general. G
General
baby.
overseer.
G baby. Oh baby, not vex abeg. You get wetin you wan confirm. A very quick one. Abeg again. You get wetin we just me no be as if our eye dey do us 419. You understand? Abeg no vex. The person we will see just now, na you. Now we wan confirm.
Which one be say we won't confirm? We see her now. She talk to us now. Baby, we just want to know waiting they sup. Waiting they sup. We see you for there. You wear uniform. Waiting they sup, baby. Talk to your girls.
Just your girls. Just us.
My sister, there is nothing to confirm. Na me be that. You see, everything on I see thing a reality, not be any other thing. But I beg, I want first beg now. I beg. You see that G for general? Please remove it. I'm no longer the general. I not do again. If you see condition where your girl dey, who dey prison better pass me. I dey suffer. Oh, the hunter has been hunted. I dey suffer like this.
Baby, calm down, slow down. You think they run fast? What do you mean by saying the hunter has been haunted? I don't understand. Explain now, baby.
My girl, you see, I never for once believed that something like this will happen to me in this world. At least only for film, these kind of things they happen. No. That my billionaire husband when I dey expect from abroad now. Why they package the house, they package my life too now based on baby girl lifestyle.
Yes.
Now the same driver where they drive me around town. I don't know, it's not the same person. My sister, the one where even worse part, I can't even say make I go corner 1 or 2. You know, now normal package, normal level. I can't corner 1 or 2. I don't know, say the thing costs millions of naira. As they catch me like this, they say make I pay. She know they my account to take pay back. And once they turn me to driver, now driver they do like this. Now driver, if you say this call when they make sure it's prohibited because.
Hello.
Hello, G.
She don't off the phone.
Jenna.
I see phone call has turned your job specification other than your primary duty here. Hand me over the phone. Now. Good.
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around, don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina. You forgot what's your name. Gina Meremo. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina Meremo. You forgot what's your name.
Now this kind of thing for my language they call Okotoriba. I dey tell you.
Gina man baro. For Yoruba, you will you need often wash up.
Must you say Yoruba own? What is the worry for this house? Babe, they calm down. Yeah, you don't show that for this house. Would they drag anything? If I just talk Igbo thing, you must show just
so see me go when that cannot be boy you speak about check point.
So see who get down.
So lori mo ti ba so wa ma
so. Must you drag shoulders with me?
Must you drag Igbo? Aje.
Omo Yoruba
aje kuta momi.
Aje kuta momi wo get
down. Una go chop phone and not drink water go. Yoruba. Oh yeah, look ika. That's why you thick.
Abi ma hear
what?
Omo
Igbo, you need fufu.
Think of fufu wogi. Here you fufu.
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around, don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina. You forgot what's your name. Gina Meremo. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina Meremo. You forgot what's your name. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. She want to run away. She want to run away. She want to run away. The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around, Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina. You forgot what's your name. Gina, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina, you forgot what's your name. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, Gina, destroy with your ambition. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. You claim, where do you know me? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina, you forgot what's your name. Gina, you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition.
Quite an unrepentant fellow you are. What do I do with you? Mr. Head, I think she needs some head.
She needs some head.
Yeah, she needs some head.
A severe punishment. She needs a dose of it.
No. I don't need head.
You need
I don't need any head. I don't need any head. No, I don't need head. No, I don't need head. I'm sorry, no, I don't need head. No, I don't need any head. Please stop it. I don't need head.
The devil has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The devil has turned around. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina. You forgot what's your name. Gina, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina, you forgot what's your name. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, Gina, destroy with your ambition. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. You claim, where do you know me? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina, you forgot what's your name. Gina, you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You have lost all of ambition. Destroy.
Sir, severally she has shown bad qualities of one who deserves to be enlisted as a staff this home. Over and over again, she has gone against the laid down rules and regulations of this home. She has tried to escape several times against my warnings and instructions. If nothing serious is done in her case, we might wake up one morning to discover that she has influenced the rest of the staffs a great deal in a negative way. And that, sir, I won't take from any staff.
You are the supervisor in this house, right? That simply means it's in your jurisdiction to make sure that everyone is discharging their duties diligently, true or false. In her case, what do you want?
Sir, permit me to carry out more disciplinary actions on her. That way, she will learn to be diligent at work. Thank you, sir. Follow me.
Georgina, the table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina.
Okay. I have news for you all. Good news and bad news. But first, let's start with the good news. Choma, Caroline, and Jumbo, your duties have been relieved of you. But at the end of the month, you all get your salaries. And that's because your duties have been directed to someone else. And the bad news. Should I call it bad news? Or not really though. Georgina Chinemelum Ibekwe. In the next 1 month, you will be carrying out the duties of the chef, the cleaner, and the gatesman, in addition to your job as a driver. That's the punishment you get for going against the rules and regulations guarding this home, and as well trying to escape when the contract you signed here hasn't elapsed. Do not let anyone remind you of your duties. Stick to your job specifications as mentioned. Failure to adhere would attract huge consequences. And your time starts now.
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina. Gina, you put yourself in trouble. You put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina, you forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. With your ambition. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina Mere, you forgot what's your name. Gina Mere, you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You have lost all of ambition. Gina Mere, destroy. You want a good life, by the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God gave to you. Now you want to run away. Now you want to run away. But I am not sorry. She wants to run away. But I am not sorry. She wants to run away. But I am not sorry. But I am not sorry. She wants to run away. She wants to run away. The devil has turned around, so don't cry. Not you say you'll be madam. Oh, the devil has turned around. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina. If you got Gina, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina, if you got you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy with your ambition. If you got you put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina Merema. If you got Gina Merema, you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You have lost all of ambition. Gina Merema, destroy. You want a good life, by the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God gave to you. Now you want to run away. Now you want to run away. But I am not sorry. She wants to run away. But I am not sorry. She wants to run away. Devil has turned around, so don't cry. Not you say you'll be madam. Oh, the devil has turned around. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina. If you got Gina Merema, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble with your character. Georgina, Gina Merema, if you got you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, Gina Merema, destroy with your ambition. You put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up.
Why do you always sit all by yourself? Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay? You're shivering and you're crying. Are you sure your temperature is... Oh my goodness, your running temperature. I think you need to go see your doctor. Come on, you have to. Oh my goodness. Your running temperature, seriously. Okay, Can we just go inside? Like, let's go inside. You're shivering. It's cold out here. Let's go inside. Please, just come, okay?
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you'll be madam. Oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina. You forgot what's your name. Gina Meremo. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina Meremo. You forgot what's your name. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Gina Mirror. Destroy. With your ambition. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on your side. Gina Meremo. You forgot what's your name. Gina Meremo. You put yourself in trouble. The bed. Of ambition. Destroy. You have lost all. Of ambition. Gina Meremo. Destroy. What you are looking for is at your closest. Don't you see it? The good heart you are looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel. It's good heart. She's an angel with good heart. Can't you see her? She was falling for you. Falling for you. She's deeply in love. She's an angel. She has fallen in love with you. With your whole heart. She's an angel with good heart. She's an angel with good heart. Is at your closest. Don't you see it? The good heart you're looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel.
Auntie, you're here.
Would you want me to help you out with anything?
Oh, no, absolutely not. I actually came to see if I can help you with something.
Help me with something? No, please, auntie, please, no. Like, I wouldn't even allow you to touch the least of pin here.
Why?
In
Why
this
not?
No.
I'm just trying to help.
No!
I insist.
No, please.
You're not going to say no now, would you?
They will sack me, and I don't want that.
Nobody's getting sacked. Please.
I still insist, no. Moreover, auntie, you're really lucky.
Lucky?
Yes.
Why would you say that?
I mean, which lady will have a guy in her life and not say she's lucky? You are lucky.
Oh, really? Tell me about yourself.
Honestly, there is really nothing to say about me.
Come on. There must be something. Anything.
That's why I dropped out of school. My mother's health grew so critical. We needed some money to foot our hospital bill. And so I decided to apply here as a cook. Luckily for me, I got employed.
And that's the reason you must find a rich man to foot your bills now, isn't it?
Ma?
Including your boss. I see how you look at him at every given opportunity, with fire in your eyes. Fire of love. That worker who crushes on her boss, not minding his relationship status, must have some balls. Be careful, my dear.
What you are looking for is at your closest. Don't you see it? The good heart you are looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel. Angel, it's good heart. She's an angel, angel, with good heart. Can't you see her? She was falling for you, falling for you. She's deeply in love. She's an angel. She has fallen in love with you, with your whole heart. She's an angel, angel, it's good heart. She's an angel, angel, with good heart. What you are looking for is at your closet. has all the quality. She's an angel, angel with good heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. Can't you see her? She was falling for you, falling for you. She's deeply in love. She's an angel. She was falling in love with you, with your whole heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. What you are looking for is at your closest. Can't you see it? The good heart you are looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel, angel with good heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. Can't you see her? She was falling for you, falling for you. She's deeply in love. She's an angel. She was falling in love with you, with your whole heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. What you are looking for is at your closest. Can't you see it? The good heart you are looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel, angel with good heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. Can't you see her? She was falling for you.
How much is your salary? Okay, let's say in a year, how much do you earn here as salary?
Ma, I hope I'm not in trouble.
He has told me so much about you. How you were with him during his rainy days in this home. 1,001 quality in you that every man would yearn for in a woman he wants to be with. And for that, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you very much. I see how you look at him consistently, not minding my presence. Not minding that we've had this conversation before. You love him, right? I asked a question. Do you love him?
Yes. No, I don't.
Yes, no. The mouth says something different, and the eyes says another. I am a woman, so I can tell. But that's not even the purpose of this conversation. What would you have me do with you right now?
Madam, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please. I don't mean to aggravate your anger, please. I'm sorry. Don't sack me, please. I need this money. I need this pay. Please, I told you about my mother. My mother is very ill and I am the breadwinner of my family. Please, I need this job. I'm sorry, Ma. Please, I'm sorry. Please. I'm deeply sorry.
The devil has turned around. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina.
Hello, madam. Ekason, good afternoon. I beg no face.
Auntie, good afternoon. How you doing?
Fine. Auntie, I beg, I want to ask you a question. No feel embarrassed.
No wahala.
I beg, if you borrow me 500, I go pay you back. Yes. Since yesterday, I never eat anything. I beg, nothing come out. I used to go pay you, I beg. Forget, no, they look me like nothing come, I beg.
Hey, auntie. If you won't tell me, say, I be poor church rat, you know, go give me sign. I like the pot of bread Tikwanu. I wish one be say, ma, dash you 500 naira. No be the worker about the dash people 100k, 200k, 500k.
Madam, not be me, oh. I don't see the 100k before. Madam, look me for it to toe. Nothing come out to me. But me here with me Lola. You go ask me where I don't see the 100k before. They go dash wait till they come. Hey, not be me. You see how this say for you? Now packaging, see. Now week, see. Foam day. You know the two bounce. Check am. See. If not all the for the nothing day. Everything na borrow. Now make me they look back. Before we get out, go embarrass me. I used to go beg you, I beg. Help my condition. It's very.
How you be Lola, baby?
Yeah. Come on, you know me. You know me. I don't know say you know me, but okay, fine. See, my just open up. Like I say, everything in package, nothing come out. I beg, on God, I never eat. I used to go beg you help my life. I beg. Man, no go die. Yes, I died when you know like I beg. Don't tell your long, move along, I beg.
Hey, Auntie, I don't even know why my mind they tell me say this auntie won't stand before me like this. Won't bless me, won't dash me 100k today. Hey, auntie, bless your baby now. Do something.
Yeah.
Only 100 I don't do.
Yeah. I used to beg you on that. Yeah.
Not be me and you, oh.
My tummy they bite me, I beg. My tummy they bite me, I beg. Mother on Jesus. I want card to come. Hello. Hey.
Hello, Zaddy. Zaddy, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. Zaddy, please, forgive me. See, Zaddy, the relationship I found myself in, they don't pursue me come back. Oh. I don't come back. I am sorry. See, I am now available, very much available for you. Please. I have realized that you're the only man that knows how to love, that knows how to take care of me. Zaddy, please, take me back. Please. Zaddy, please, I am available now. Come and take me. I'm ready to follow you to that trip. The trip I said I was not going to follow you to. I'm ready now. I've come to my senses and you're the only one I love. Zaddy. Hello? Zaddy? Hello, Zaddy? Yay. What do I do now? I'll try calling him again.
Hey! Fake life. You think I be your mate, Abi? Fake life. You think I be your mate just because of the way you wear clothes, they wear wig. Come carry out the do curry. Babe, now God go punish fake life. Wallahi, fake life no good. Èmi láyé mi. Tori fake life. Oh, one for me share up and down, middle and center. Because of fake life, babe, nobody feel help us. Because of fake life, we no fit go knock neighbor, we go wear wig. Everything what they do, now borrow post, reach all this, even pants, so it no be G3. They no say Coco Day, all na borrow post. Fake life not better for you. Fake life, if I catch you, if I swear for you, it go catch you. Join your generation. I just they look you. Not because I don't know where on they stay. I know, but not talk. You know go better for your generation fake life than me talking. Not be your fault. Not be your fault. I swear.
See, I don't even tire for your mosquito cry for my ear. Fake life. Now who introduced me Ulysses for this fake life? Not be Ulysses. When they form say be Lisa, when they don't know say be Omo Yoruba Lola. Because what they say, Lisa, you be Lola Yoruba girl. You introduced me to this fake life. I did my day. You come and tell me say fake life good. You need to fake it till you make it. No, we are don't make am now. This stuff we're gonna follow. Na borrow. This makeup na borrow am. Every day with the yellow, with the run. I don't even feel like sleep well. Now you cause all these things. Now you give me this thing. I just think every day because of this life. Don't put me inside. You don't happy, Abi? No. Now my God go judge you, Lola. My God go judge you.
That's why your mouth not will remain the same. Anyway, what be taking? Not be fake life. You live young. When we dey chop chicken, you dey happy for fake life. I introduce you be small picking. You want sit down and fold like idiot. They blame me. You carry face like which I don't know. You dey blame me now. Say fake life not good. Fake life not good. When we dey live and you dey appear your teeth like goats. You know don't be now so they blame me. You be small picking. No, you be small picking. So I go say me go point for fire now. You go point for fire. Imagine shake with me. Don't let me swear for you. If I dey shake with me, you call it that phone.
Onyala.
Oh no,
fake life. Onyala go go see ya.
Olori bu.
I want to akujuba go no.
Kuju iwon na lo sha sinu osi. About someone who wants sorrow.
Oh, see, I'm bogi.
Bogi, ajokuta ma mommy. That is why all of my Igbo and I dey take can and I'll shop stone and I no go drink water. Toba say I can get kwan. Keep that thing that I'll call the girl wey borrow clothes they go collect an idiot. Oh no, she oloribu. Wo, apma apia. Simile, ma je so Igbo ti mi o. Yay! Ebi wa. Hunger day. Listen. Ebi wa. Hunger day. O ti jẹ gbogbo intestine mi. Don't chop all my intestine. Ah! This is a hunger day. Ah!
She be ma don dey run since. Obobo osi. Oh you pe dey shake breast now. Hunger don dey wire you. You never even start. At the talk of peace of mind, we say we go fit sleep.
So don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh, the table has turned around. Don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina. If you got wasabi, Gina, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina, if you got wasabi, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy with your ambition. If you got wasabi, you put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina Mere, if you got wasabi, Gina Mere, you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You have lost all of ambition. Destroy. You want a good life, by the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God gave to you. Now you want to run away. Now you want to run away. A battery of the sun, she want to run away. A battery of the sun, she want to run away. Don't cry, not you say you be madam. Oh, the table has turned around. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina. If you got wasabi, Gina Mere, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina Mere, if you got wasabi, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, Gina Mere, destroy with your ambition. If you got wasabi, you put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina Mere, if you got wasabi, Gina Mere, you put put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You have lost all of ambition. Destroy. is at your closest. Don't you see it? The good heart you're looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel, angel. It's good heart. She's an angel, angel. With good heart. Can't you see her? She was falling for you, falling for you. She's deeply in love. She's an angel. She was falling in love with you, with your whole heart. She's an angel, angel.
Leave me alone. Oh, see, they don't carry me, they go where I don't know. They don't carry me, they go where I don't know. Somebody help me now, help me. They don't carry me, they go where I don't know. They don't carry me, they go where I don't know. Leave me alone, they don't carry me.
Don't cry.
I wanna help me.
Then what are you doing on the floor? Get up and join the rest.
At your closest, come to see it. The good heart you are looking for is right behind, beside you. She knows all the quality. She's an angel. It's good love. She's an angel on the road. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina. If you got Gina, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. Put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble.
Thank you. Thanks for believing in me. Thanks for being part of my amazing journey. Especially to my brother and friend, in whom I'm well pleased. I'm talking about Ken. Thanks for all you did. It's my pleasure. A big shout out to my cousin, Nena. She has always been there for me. And she did her part too. Thank you, basically. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Let me start by doubling your salaries. Yes. Your salaries are hereby doubled. That's one. Then in life, wherever you find yourself, if you must be anything, be kind. Try and be kind, because life is unpredictable and nobody knows tomorrow. Any moment from now, my parents will be flying in. Yes. So, as As far as I'm concerned, they are free to stay as long as they want. And as for you, I'm doubling everybody's salary except you. Yes. Because I want my parents to test run you. Once they approve your stay, I can now start paying you. But you can still choose to run. Yes. I'm not forcing you to stay.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay?
I can run if I want to.
You want to run?
Yes. Yes.
Run.
I want to run.
I want to run. I want to.
She's honest, don't cry. Baby, you say you'll be my dad. The devil is strong. Run, don't cry. It's all your fault. Georgina. Gina, you put yourself in trouble. You put yourself in trouble. It's your daughter. Georgina. Gina, if you got lost your day, you're looking for is at your closet.
Once again, thank you. Thank you very much.
It's right there. Gina, if you got lost your day, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. With your ambition. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina, you forgot what's your name.